How to get rid of bad smell from vacuum cleaners naturally. Dust, moisture, and bacteria that accumulate inside the vacuum cleaner over time are the main causes of these odors. But the solution is simple: baking soda, the most natural ingredient in the house. Pour 1 tablespoon of baking soda on a flat surface. Bring the vacuum cleaner hose closer and suck in the baking soda. Baking soda absorbs the odor on the inner surface of the vacuum cleaner, leaving fresh air. It also reduces the formation of bacteria and neutralizes the air released by the vacuum cleaner. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this.